Okay, now we will introduce the Pico Laser machine. This is the working handle, and this is the working head for replacement. This is the spare part for balance the working handle, and this is the foot switch, glass for protecting eyes, and the power line, and the tube, water cup. Okay, then next step, we will install the working handle, okay? We should put this working handle on this part and then use the screws and tie it. Okay, then next step, we should install this part to balance the working handle. We should match the hole and put the screw inside and use the tools to tie it. Okay, then next step we should install the power line between the working handle and the machine. Match the hole and then turn. This part, for the connection between the working handle and the machine, for the power line, we have to insert to the right position, okay? And make sure you can turn and try many times. Turn to the right position. Okay, you can see that, you will hear the sound. Make sure this power line insert to the machine, insert to this hole well. Otherwise, the machine will be broken, okay? Okay, next step, we should insert the power line on the working handle. Just match the hole and then tie it. Then next part, we should install the working heads. Okay, the first step for install the working head, we should install the power line between the working handle and the heads. And the next step, we just need to tie this part and install well. Okay, there are several holes behind of the machine. This is the water inlet hole and water outlet hole, and this is the water overflow hole, foot switch hole, and the power line. Okay, and first step, we should use the water cup and tube to inject the water in that hole. Okay, before installation, we have to press this silver button to make sure the tip is up. Okay, and then insert. Then you will hear the sound. Okay, and another tube we should insert to the water overflow hole. Then when the water inside is full, it will come out from the water overflow hole, okay? Okay. Then we should inject the water. Before using this machine, we have to insert full water inside. It means that we should inject the water until the water come out from the water overflow hole. Okay, the water come out from the water overflow hole. Okay, next step, we will install the foot switch. Okay, we just need to match the hole inside. Match the hole and then press. Last step is tie it. Finish. Okay, this is the key for this machine, and this is the emergency button. When we want to turn on this machine, we just need to turn the key and then turn this button, then the machine will be started. Okay, now we will start the machine. You can enter into this screen and we can find there are 3 wavelengths, okay? And for this length, it is for this working heads, okay? And for this two, it is for this working heads, okay? Now we can enter into this part and see. Okay, you can find there are energy adjustment and the frequency adjustment here. You can increase or decrease the frequency and also the power. You can decrease or increase, okay? But for the first treatment, we suggest to use the lower level. Like now we start from the 200, okay? And then increase step by step if your clients can accept, okay? And here it shows the spot size, okay? You can see that we can adjust the spot size here, okay? For this working hat, you can adjust. Okay, and this part shows the short account, okay? And okay, and others are the same operation. Also the power adjustment and the frequency adjustment, okay? And the spot size shows, and the short account, okay? Once setting everything, just press the start button. It is okay, and this is the stop button, okay? Okay, for this part, we can choose or not, because this part is there is a red light when we shooting at the treatment part. You can choose this red light or not. Okay, when we want to change another working hat, we should turn this part, okay, and then remove. Okay, and then take out from this part, okay. Okay, and then change a new working hat. Then tie it. It is okay.